Now let's take a look at, in this demo, how you would configure DNS to support IP6. Actually quite easy. The way we do that is we can go through and click Start. We're going to go to Administrative Tools, and then I'm going to go to DNS. Now inside DNS, I'm going to create a host record in my forward lookup zone. Now the way I'm going to do that is I go over here to, I'm going to choose one of my zones I want to work with, and I just say, okay, well, I'm going to put it right here in my, my K-Alliance zone. I right click on it in that zone after selecting it, and I say I want to create a new host. Now notice it has an A or quadruple A record. An A is for IP version 4, a quadruple A is for IP version 6. Now notice that there's not one dialog for A and one dialog for quadruple A. It's the same one for both. Now let's take a look at the dialog. Looks the same as what we had before in previous versions of Windows or DNS to create a host record. Only thing that's going to separate this is the host name you put up here is going to look the same as it would be for IP version 4. The difference is going to be right down here. When you create the IP address, you're going to just type it in the IP6 format. Now, just by carrying that particular function out and putting an IP6 address in there, DNS will know, well, this is a quadruple A record because I see an IP6 address there. And then it will go ahead and say, okay, you've got an IP6 address and a quadruple A record. Now when someone queries the system for that host name, it will return that IP6 address. Now you could configure an IP6 and IP4 address for the same system. That way you have name resolutions for both protocols, and that is supported. So for right now, we're not going to configure a IP6 record in here. We're just going to show you where you would do that once you had the address and the host name you were going to map it to. So let me cancel out of that, and we'll go ahead and take a look at the next section.